guys, Rad Performance here. We have a Massimo MB200.
S.
Oh yeah, S, sorry, it's an S model.
Because that's the rear suspension.
Oh, rear suspension, yes, all four corners. Quality rig. Alrighty, so we are mounting a torque converter, which is why we have our torque converter base plate. Back in the day, we used to make this out of 1x1 box tubing. Now you don't have to do that anymore, because we don't have to be cavemen. So basically, what we need to do is we're going to adjust the motor so that way it comes over to here, so that way it lines up better with the rear sprocket. So basically, we're just starting off by piloting some new holes, and then we're going to show you guys where we need to get the plate in, so that way we can get this engine in properly.
We were literally just playing with rocks before.
Yeah, real shit.
Alright, okay, let's do one more. Let's do 3 more.
Do we have a marking of that? Kind of, sort of? Or... Actually, no wait, this is all we need to do. So this, guys, is how you make this work. Right, give it some space. Like nice in the middle.
That looks good.
So we have adjustment on both sides. You don't want to commit all the way to one side. No, I can use the old drill bit. That is literally useless to us now. Position it nicely. Okay, everything looks nice and flush, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and drop him in here. And you guys could use a punch. We're just gonna use a drill bit. Yeah, we don't need a punch. This is... Dude, where was it?
It's right
Is that
there.
it? I think I see it, yeah. I think it literally was where the other one was. Alrighty guys, so we just machined out the holes for that. We're just going to use some good old-fashioned stainless hardware to lift the motor up a little bit for more chain tension. So, we're going to slap this on along in the front, right? Oh yeah.
Well, actually, no,
yeah.
it's a short one.
The short ones go here?
Yeah, because the long one's going to block.
That's also why I luckily put it on the outside so we can replace them easy.
This is true.
So just zap them in and then we'll replace them with longer ones next time or something. Okay guys, so we just got this mocked up, bolted in. I'm gonna bring in that nice Predator. Great insertion. Then does the freaking... Then does the bushing go? Or...
No, then the sprocket.
Well,
Sprocket.
needs the wood drift key. And then the sprocket.
Actual drill pulley itself.
Then just the whole pulley.
Yeah.
So all the bushings are for the front.
Yeah, except for like one washer. That's about it.
Oh yeah. GG. There it is.
Yeah.
Gently spin that and I'll zap them on.
That's good for that. Oh, damn it. We gotta take it all apart. Hold on. We're gonna put the chain on
Classic.
that.
Classic. You literally slid on too easy.
Yeah.
That's always what happens. I was like, oh my god, sliding on the first time? No problem? No way. That's why.
That's why. Because there's no sprocket.
Now we can put the okay.
Now we got something here.
This looks pretty good. You can just slide the plate all the way forward. Adjust the rear swing arm.
You think that's enough?
It's not the worst thing. It's okay.
It's the worst.
I think it's rideable. That's to say the least.
Oh yeah, big time. It's like perfect, right?
Yeah.
Perfect in between.
Yeah, just all the way forward. The good old torque converter system. The only CVT that we actually like.
Yeah, literally. Every other CVT is awful.
But this CVT, oh yeah.
This is the one.
Perfectly engineered.
For $50 on Amazon. Can you beat that? I think not.
Can we get much higher?
I don't think so.
GG. Yeah, nice. So these, I think you're good, yeah. Because the centrifugal force is going to spin it the other way.
Yeah.
So it can't like come loose. You should be good. You're going to want to zap him though.
Oh yeah, definitely. But that will do impact.
Yeah, you probably need the big boy impact.
Yeah. And it's going.
As long as it hits the nylon.
It did hit the nylon.
That's
so
it.
we're good.
Yeah, it can't back out once it hits the nylon.
Cannot back out.
That's the point of the lock washers. The nylon can't back out. Alrighty, guys. So, peachy. That should be tight. So we're gonna tighten the motor down before we start adjusting the rear trail arm to adjust for the chain tension.
Just to pop it off on the other side. Yeah, just a little bit.
Oh, what the heck?
Oh wait, shit. I might have not even. That's my bad.
Did you not even tighten it
I
down?
didn't tighten it.
Did we ride it like that?
No. This is just from us trying to figure
Torque
this crap
converter?
out. Yeah. From us torque converter.
From us torque convertering. So motor is now tight. Now we're gonna adjust this chain tension up a little bit. Just count even.
We actually do. I mean, you can also just measure.
Oh, that's actually pretty real.
Low key, can you pick this up? Just so there's actually no pressure on the tire. It's actually tightening, bro.
No, I saw it already moving. Yeah, I was gonna say, like, you're literally almost there. It doesn't have to be too tight, obviously.
Little bit of self-clearancing on the chain underneath. I realized
Yeah,
here.
I heard some.
But dude, it takes off. Nice. I was rolling.